What's up guys, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a scratch test on the Samsung Galaxy S21 that comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection on its screen. So we will see how durable it is and whether we are going to get any scratches or damage to the screen or not. So here we go. So for this testing purpose we are going to use this coin, this set of keys and this knife, because usually the keys and the coins are what we are carrying in our pockets along with our smartphones, and then obviously we gotta try the knife as well. So first of all, let's just start with the coin. So you can see that the screen is responding to all of these touches that it is getting because of the stroke of this coins here. So let's have a look on the screen here. So it seems there is no damage except some dust particles. If you see any scratch or damage, just feel free to mention it in the comment section if I do not notice it. So all of these are just some fabric, some dust particles on the screen. There is no damage for sure. All good so far. So now let's try the keys. Let's try another one. Maybe you can listen the sound of the friction when I am just trying to get some scratches using this key here. Once again, let's try. I think that's more than enough, but before that, let me clean the screen a bit. So once again, it's looking quite nice. No visible sign of any damage to the screen. No scratches, nothing. So everything is looking perfect. And as you can see that the screen is working fine. The touch screen sensitivity is also perfect. So it seems there is no damage so far. Now it's time to go a bit brutal and try this knife here. So here we go. I think that's more than enough, and let's have a look on the screen. First let's try with the lights on. Once again, let me clean it first. So looking quite nice. Can't see any scratch that is visible through the camera lens or directly to my eyes. But as I said, if you notice any damage, any scratch to the screen, just point it out in the comment section below. But as you can see that it's quite nice. No visible damage to the screen, not a single scratch, and that's quite impressive, and it is showing that how durable is the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus used on the screen of Samsung Galaxy S21 here. And once again, as you can see, it's working perfectly. There is no damage, it's super smooth, and everything is working fine on the screen of Samsung Galaxy S21 after using the knife, coin and the set of keys on the screen to check how durable it is. So even if you do not use a screen protector, your screen is going to be quite scratch free for sure, but it is always nice to have back panel case or a screen protector for the sake of peace of mind actually. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.